So let's get started by multiplying both sides of the equation by 9. Now we can cancel denominator 9 with this 9 from right hand side. Now we have to simplify our left hand side. We will get 9x times 9x cube minus 35x minus 30 equal to 56. Let's simplify. 9x times 9x cube, 9 square x power 4 minus 35 times 9 times x square minus 30 times 9 times x equal to 56. Now 9 can be written as 3 square. So we can write 3 square whole square using power rule. 3 square whole square will be 3 power 4 x power 4 minus 35 times 3 square x square minus 30 times 3 times 3x minus 56 equal to 0. Using exponent law, we can write 3 power 4 x power 4 3x whole power 4 minus 35 times 3 square x square can be written as 3x whole square minus 30 times 3 is 90. Then we have 3x minus 56 equal to 0. Now we have 3x whole power 4, 3x whole square, 3x. So let us assume 3x equal to y. So we will get equation in variable y power 4 minus 35y square minus 90 times y minus 56 equal to 0. Now this is one quartic equation, degree 4 equation. I will be solving this equation using synthetic division method and rational root theorem. So let me write here y power 4 minus 35y square minus 90y minus 56 equal to 0. Now we have to find all the eligible factors of constant 56. I can write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 7 and so on. Leading coefficient is 1, so we will write only plus minus 1. Now we have to take ratio of constant to leading coefficient here and check our equation whether they will satisfy or not. So in this series, if I will check y equal to 1 power 4 is 1, minus 35 times 1 square minus 35 minus 90 minus 56, which is not going to be 0. So y equal to 1 is rejected. Now we will check y equal to negative 1. Minus 1 whole power 4 is 1, minus 35 plus 90 minus 56. 1 plus 90 is 91, minus 35 minus 56 is minus 91. So yes, it is satisfying our equation. We will say y equal to negative 1 is our base solution for this quartic equation. Now we will be using synthetic division method, SDM. Here we need to write all the coefficients of quartic equation. Coefficient of y power 4, 1. Coefficient of y cube, it is missing, so 0. Coefficient of y square, minus 35. Coefficient of y, minus 90. Constant, minus 56. We will write leading coefficient 1 as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution with this leading coefficient. So minus 1 times plus 1 will be minus 1. We'll write over here. Then we have to add these two numbers. We will get minus 1. Now minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. We'll add these two numbers and write over here minus 34. Minus 1 times minus 34 will be plus 34. We'll add these two numbers and get over here minus 56. Minus 1 times minus 56 is 56. By adding these two, we'll get 0. So these are coefficients for cubic equation. So equation will be y cube minus y square minus 34y minus 56 equal to 0. Again we will use synthetic division method. We have checked 1 and minus 1. Now we will begin with y equal to 2. So let me write here y cube minus y square minus 34y minus 56 equal to 0. We will check at y equal to 2 whether y equal to 2 will satisfy our cubic equation or not. So 2 cube is 8 minus 2 square is 4 minus 34 times 2 68 minus 56. It is not going to be 0. So we will reject y equal to 2. Now we check y equal to minus 2. Minus 2 cube minus 8 minus 2 square will be equal to plus 4. Minus 34 times minus 2 plus 68 minus 56. So we have minus 12 minus 56 minus 68 and we have plus 68. So yes, y equal to minus 2 is satisfying our cubic equation. We will say minus 2 is our base solution. Now we will go for SDM. Let's write all the coefficients of cubic equation. 1, minus 1, minus 34 and minus 56. We'll retain our leading coefficient 1 as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution minus 2 with leading coefficient 1 and we will write product over here minus 2. By adding these two, we'll get minus 3. Minus 2 times minus 3 is 6. By adding these two, we'll write here minus 28. Minus 2 times minus 28 is plus 56. By adding these two numbers, we are going to get 0. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation. We will write y square minus 3y minus 28 equal to 0. We'll be solving this quadratic equation using factorization method. So let's split minus 3y as minus 7y plus 4y. So we will write y square minus 7y plus 4y. Then we have minus 28 equal to 0. Now from first two terms we will take y common. So in the bracket there will be y minus 7. From next two terms 4 is common. So in the bracket we will write y minus 7 equal to 0. Now y minus 7 is overall common. We will get y plus 4 in other bracket equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write two equations, either y minus 7 equal to 0 or y plus 4 equal to 0. So from first equation we will be getting y equal to 7 and from second equation we will write y equal to minus 4. So in total we have 4 y values. Our first base solution was minus 1, second base solution was minus 2 and two solutions from this quadratic equation minus 4 and 7. Now y was our substitution 3x. So in place of y we will write 3x. So I can write 3x will be equal to y will be equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 4 and plus 7. Now to find the values of x, we have to divide by 3 both sides. So let's divide by 3. Here also we will divide by 3. Now 3 over 3 will be 1. 1 times x is x. So we have 4 real values of x. Minus 1 over 3, minus 2 over 3, minus 4 over 3, and 7 over 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care.